Why are hundreds of thousands of people gathering to greet him in 2026? The answer reveals a historic event that could change the world forever. You won't believe who this figure is and why millions are drawn to witness his arrival. The man drawing hundreds of thousands in 2026 is a figure known for his profound influence on politics, culture, and social movements. His upcoming appearance is not just a public event, but a symbolic moment that many see as a turning point. His previous actions sparked global conversations, and now millions are curious about his next move and what it means for the future. This gathering is unlike any other because it combines political, cultural, and social excitement. The leader's impact has transcended borders, inspiring hope and debate worldwide. His arrival is seen as a moment to witness history, sparking curiosity about what changes might follow. The event is carefully organized to accommodate millions, highlighting its scale and importance. The 2026 gathering is more than a spectacle. It signals potential shifts in global dynamics. Analysts expect new dialogues around leadership, cooperation, and social progress. The leader's message is anticipated to inspire not only his followers, but also policymakers worldwide. This moment could redefine how societies approach unity and change in the coming years. The massive gathering in 2026 is a landmark event that captures the world's attention, driven by a leader whose influence spans continents. This moment could set the stage for a new era in global cooperation and social change. If you want to stay curious and get daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now.